Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through recovering your lost Call of Duty mobile account, whether you used an Activision login, Facebook, or a guest account. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. The most common way players save their progress is through an official Call of Duty or Activision account. If you remember your email but forgot your password, this is an easy fix. Launch the game and wait for the main login screen to appear. Tap on the button that says Call of Duty, which is the Activision logo. Instead of trying to guess your password repeatedly, look right below the text field. Tap on the Forgot Password link. Enter the email address you originally used to sign up. Head over to your email inbox and look for a message from Activision. It will contain a secure link to reset your password and get you back into the game. If you never made an Activision account specifically, you might have linked your progress to a social network. Go back to the main login page. Tap the Facebook or Google icon. If you are already logged in to the Facebook or Google app on your phone, the game should automatically detect it. It will ask for permission to connect. Simply tap Continue to sync your data and restore your old profile. Now, if you have lost access to your email address and your social media accounts were hacked or deleted, your only option is manual recovery. You will need to open your web browser and navigate to the official Activision support website. Select Call of Duty Mobile as your game. Open a support ticket and provide as much proof as possible. This includes things like your player ID, if you have a screenshot of it, your exact model device, and even receipts from any in-game purchases you made. The more detail you provide, the higher the chance they can locate your profile manually. I do need to share one hard truth about guest accounts, just so you don't waste your time. If you were playing on a guest account and you deleted the app or changed phones, that data is unfortunately gone forever. Guest data is stored locally on the device itself, not on a server. So once that app data is wiped, there is no cloud backup to recover from. And that's it. You now know the steps to get your soldier back on the battlefield or start fresh properly. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.